it is getting crazy in here.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm Lauren.
And I'm Neiman. We just got our dream storefront located in Omaha, Nebraska, and we've got 10 weeks before our grand opening.
And we are going to be transforming this space into a beautiful place where so much magic will happen.
From painting and selling furniture
to hosting workshops and furniture contests, this place will have it all. And best of all, we're bringing you along on yet another journey with FFT.
Buckle up and enjoy the ride.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. It is episode 11, I believe, of getting this storefront ready, and we are just 2 days away from our grand opening. So it is crunch time. I'm not sure that you'll see this before grand opening because our editor Harrison is actually coming here tomorrow, so we probably will be taking a little time off from editing, but this will be out after grand opening. But I just wanted to share with you the last few days, the crazy chaos. Nana just came into town. We are going to start by getting this floor cleaned. We did have furniture on it, but Neiman and I last night moved everything into the room so that we could do one last little scrub on the floors, just from all the work that we've had going on since we got the floors installed. And then we'll start putting furniture on the floor. We'll start putting paint up on the walls. We'll start putting decor around the place, and this place is going to really come together. So buckle up, it's the last couple of days before grand opening. Nana just put up the glass faces that I thrifted. They look so good against that dark. I love that. I'll need to get some more, but you know, that's just like a couple months worth of a collection.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Love it. Look at Nana and her styling abilities. That looks really good. Yay! All right, guys, it has come to the time where we are going to be filling all of the shelves with paint. I think like everyone has been wanting to do this just because it's going to be so satisfying to see all of the paint up there on the shelves. Everything is going to start to come together when we start putting all of the products up there. We're going to do a little bit of color coordinating to make it just easier for people to search for the paint color that they're looking for, and also, who doesn't love a great rainbow? And his friend Cody. Everybody meet Cody again. It's his second time appearing on the channel, and we went to Colorado with him and his fiance a couple years ago. He's in town for the grand opening with us and to celebrate, and then of course we're putting him to work. So him and Neiman have been transporting the finished pieces from our garage at home to this building so that we can actually have finished pieces to sell. So they already got the black arch over there. Now we're working on a bedroom set. So this one is very, 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 very heavy. So we're gonna get things set up and start kind of moving furniture around depending on where we're gonna put it. And our editor is flying here as we speak, Harrison. So we're super excited. He's gonna be here in about an hour. Woo! So much going on. Wendy here. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
And she is the chair flipping queen. I gotta look out. No, but she is killing it back here, cleaning all of the chairs that we have that are gonna be on the floor tomorrow. Kind of last minute here. We're about to eat some pizza.
Eat some pizza. Oh, and you guys, Harrison is a real person. There he is. He made it safely.
I made it. I survived.
He survived. And we put him right to work. We told him this wasn't gonna be a vacation. And is the queen bee. What do you got?
Inquiry forms.
Ooh, for what?
Ooh. So that you can send in forms about customizing furniture.
Ah.
Make it your own.
Are you painting it?
Not me.
All right, guys, it is 8:01. By this time tomorrow, our grand opening extravaganza party will be done. We are all putting in work. We're working late tonight. We've got everybody here. We've got mom and dad right there. We've got Harrison there. We've got Cody there, Izzy there, Nana up there, and I think Wendy is
She might be in the office charging something.
back there. And everything is happening. I mean, we're cleaning chairs, we're placing candles, we're wiping down furniture, we're placing furniture, we're making sure that we can take payments tomorrow on our square.
We're making sure this bathroom smells absolutely phenomenal. What is that? Link down below.
Yeah, so we're on the cusp, we're on the verge of this place coming to life. We've got all of our candles up here, which has been a super awesome surprise that we've been keeping from you guys. But we actually are working with a local candle company. They have helped us create our own aroma line. So to kind of go along with our furniture store, which is, now that you guys already know, I guess. I don't really know how we're gonna do the reveal of this, but anyway, maybe you'll already find out. If you're not, then here's the name of our store, is Fournier Furniture Co. So we've got a candle line and just like a aroma line called Fournier Aromas. We've got reed diffusers, we've got wax melts, we've got candles, the whole 9 yards. So that's super exciting. We're gonna have those available here in person, but then also anywhere and everywhere across the United States. We can ship them to you, so they will be available on our website, which of course is linked down below. I gotta get back to work. Alright guys, it is currently 9:13 on November 4th, which means that we are literally 6 hours away from the reveal of the name. We still got a little bit to do. Neiman's here, Izzy's here, I'm here. We're pricing furniture, we're getting raffle baskets wrapped. We've got some moving around of stuff to do. We've got some placing of things to do. We've got some cleaning to do. Everyone else will be arriving probably in like 1 or 2 hours from now to help us get everything else squared away, but it's here. It's here. We're here. We're gonna check in with you guys as we keep going. We've got work to do.
It is getting crazy in here. Cody, Harrison made it. Nana and Wendy are here. Wendy's in the back, still cleaning chairs. Nana's cleaning pieces of furniture. What's Lauren doing? Running around like a mad woman. Lauren's still pricing. Izzy's putting more product onto the floor. Harrison's getting things into the system. Squad!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, help me to introduce for the first time the furniture flipping teaching team.
Count down with us from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the name is Fournier Furniture Co. Fournier, from Neiman's research, means it is from the 15th century French word fournier, meaning furniture. And nowadays, fournir means to supply, to provide, to furnish. And we thought that that meaning, which is also our tagline, just really vibed with the whole mission from the beginning. All right, ready? Let's do one more countdown. 3, 2, 1.